Hi, my name is Kenturah Davis, and today I'm really excited to share a book with you that beautifully illustrates all the ways to find music in the sounds that surround us. The book is called Nighttime Symphony, which is by music industry legend Timbaland, featuring artist and author Christopher Myers in collaboration with Ka Illustration Studios. I hope you enjoy it. Nighttime Symphony by Timbaland, featuring Christopher Myers in collaboration with Ka Illustration Studios. Nighttime Symphony. Hey there, darling baby child. You're safe in here, though the storm is wild. The streetlights glow through dark so deep. But safe and sound, you'll go to sleep. Do you hear the raindrops tap upon the windows of your nap? The clouds pour down a steady beat to soothe your slumber beneath the sheet. The cars outside, streets so wet, their headlights cast a silhouette. Of trees waving arms up in the air, they dance for us like they don't care. Radios sing in every home, steady like the city's metronome. The bass is a pillow, soft and warm. The whole world's tuned to the quiet storm. Is that lightning across the sky? Thunder soon comes crashing by. Don't you worry, little one. The angels too are musicians. Hear the gutters rush like rivers? Don't cry or worry, shake or shiver. No flood will pour in the place we stay. That's just the music water plays. The wind, it howls, it blows, it sings. Nature's voice, melody and strings. Don't fear the raging storm so strong. We'll remix the raging into a song. Last looks from nighttime, windows high, an umbrella sea of passers-by. With each turntable above each head, you're the DJ to spin your sweet self to bed. Rain clouds blanket the whole wide world. Inside the sounds of the storm you'll curl. Like a crescent moon of rest, the tempest soon becomes your nest. When morning comes around, you'll remember every sound. Sun breaks through the cloudy sky. The storm was just a lullaby.